Stuck in a loop? Scrolling till 2 a.m.? Stress eating chips? I've been there. Trapped in habits that suck your energy and joy? What if you could start breaking free in just 7 days? Not magic. Science-backed steps anyone can do. Stop feeling guilty. Let's fix this. Right now, day 1, the why bomb. Forget willpower first. Day 1 is all about WHY. This habit owns you. Grab your phone right now. Open notes, title it, your habit equals _. Be brutally honest. Is it boredom scrolling? Why? Because my job is mind-numbing. Stress snacking. Why? Because I feel overwhelmed and this is my only me time. This isn't judgment. It's intel. Write down the real emotion driving the habit. Loneliness, anxiety, exhaustion, action. Do this now. Hit pause if you need to. Knowing the true trigger is your superpower. You can't fix what you don't understand. This simple note. Why it's your first crack at the habit's armor. You're already ahead of 99% of people who just yell "stop it" at themselves. Day 2. Trash the trigger. Habits need a spark. Find that spark and remove it. Your environment is setting you up to fail. Example, phone doom scrolling. Charge it outside your bedroom. Tonight, can't. Delete the most addictive app. For 7 days, soda habit. Don't buy it. Period. See it in the fridge. You'll drink it. Stress eating chips. Don't bring them home. Swap them for pre-cut veggies right now. This isn't willpower. It's making the bad choice hard and the good choice easy. Action. Identify one physical trigger for your habit.
Ash it today.
Throw out the candy. Move the TV remote. Log out of social media on your phone. Day 3, the 2-minute swap. You can't just stop a habit. Your brain craves that reward. So, swap, IT. Find a 2-minute action that gives a similar feeling, but is healthy. Craving a cigarette break? Step outside, take 2 deep breaths, feel the sun. Exactly 2 minutes. Need that sugary soda rush? Sip cold water with a squeeze of lemon immediately. Is feeling stressed and reaching for Netflix? Due to minutes of jumping jacks or dance to one song? Key. It must take 2 minutes or less. Your brain gets the break signal, but the reward is healthier. Action. What's your habit's reward? Relaxation? Energy? Distraction? Pick a 2-minute swap right now and write it down. When I feel trigger, I will do 2-minute swap. Test it today. Day 4. The not today trick. Willpower is tiny. Don't say I'll never do this again. That's scary. Say not today. Urge hits, and it will. Tell yourself, I could do it, but I choose not today. This is genius because 1, it feels doable, just 1 day. 2, it gives you back control in the moment. 3, it builds momentum. Did you skip soda today? Win. Did you not scroll for 1 hour? Huge win. Action. Next time the craving hits, literally say out loud or whisper, not today. Then do your 2-minute swap immediately. Celebrate that small win. Text a friend, did not scroll for 30 minutes. #win day 5. Your habit assassin, who or what helps your bad habit thrive? That late night texting buddy? The coworker who always has candy? Identify your habit assassin, the person or thing that makes quitting harder. For 7 days, you need boundaries. Tell your friend, hey, I'm focusing on my energy this week. Can we chat at lunch instead of late night? Hide the candy drawer at work. Mute that group chat just for this week. This isn't rude, it's self-respect. You're protecting your fresh. Start action. Name your one biggest external trigger. What's one small boundary you can set today? Do it now. It's only 7 days. Day 6. Track and celebrate tiny wins. You're halfway. But if you're not tracking, your brain forgets the wins. Ditch complex journals. Get a paper calendar or a sticky note. Every time you use your 2-minute swap, say not today *. Avoid the trigger. Put a big check mark or a smiley face. 1 mark per day is enough. This is critical. At night, look. At that mark, say, I did that. I'm building something new. Celebrate the effort, not perfection. Slipped up, mark it tried, and focus on the next win. Progress greater than perfection. Action. Grab anything, a napkin, a note app, and make a spot. For 1 daily check mark, do it now. Tonight, give yourself a fist pump for that mark. Day 7. The new normal seed. Day 7 isn't the finish line. It's planting the seed for what comes next. Ask yourself, after 7 days of starting to break this, what tiny piece of the new habit feels possible? Maybe even good? Did swapping soda for water feel refreshing? Did that 2-minute breath break calm you? Pick one micro habit from this week to keep. Maybe it's only charging your phone outside the bedroom, or doing the 2-minute breath every time you feel stressed. This isn't about never failing again. It's about proving to yourself, I can change this. You've rewired your brain's first steps. Now, choose one thing to protect. Action. Right. Starting tomorrow, I will KEEP one tiny new habit. Put it where you'll see it. Look, 7 days won't erase a habit you've had for years, but it absolutely can break the autopilot. You've learned its triggers, swapped the routine, and proven you have power. That's huge. Most people quit before day 2 because they expect perfection. You stuck with it. Your brain is now primed for real change. The next slip up is just data, not failure. Ask, what triggered me? How can I swap it next time? This is how habits die, not with willpower. Explosions, but with smart, tiny steps. You've got the toolkit now. Subscribe for more real deal habit hacks, no fluff.